So a couple model body paragraphs. This one is from the English 50 assignment about challenges faced by college students. I've highlighted the topic sentence in yellow. The claim is that it's expensive to go to community college, and then the evidence is sort of basic facts about how much a unit costs, how much. I think she mentions that there are other costs as well incurred by transportation and books and things. And then the analysis, so that's the evidence, and then the analysis is down here in purple, where she comments on the evidence and links it back to the topic sentence claim, explains how the evidence supports her topic sentence. So the second model body paragraph is from the English 45 essay I told you, and here you can see that body paragraphs aren't always simply chronological topic sentence evidence analysis. Sometimes, and the topic sentence always comes first, but sometimes you do evidence, you include evidence, and then you analyze the evidence, and then some more evidence, you analyze the evidence. And so that's what you see going on here.